Good morning, happy Monday the 21st of September. I'm Jessica Amir, a market analyst with Bell Direct. Well, we saw US equities close lower on Friday and see their third straight weekly fall. In Australia last week, different story. Our Aussie market moved marginally higher, up last week 0.1%, the first gain in 6 weeks. As for what importantly took place on Friday in the US, investors continue to sell out of the tech sector and invest into the best performing sector this month, which is materials or miners. Adding to that, on Friday we saw options on stocks, ETFs and indexes and futures expire, as they do every third Friday of the last month of the quarter. So investors either closed out their positions or rolled them forward, and given the high-flying tech sector has been pulling back and continues to move lower, we saw market makers unwind their hedges, and that saw tech continue to fall. So Apple shares down about 3%, Google parent Alphabet down 2.4%, but the big question is, how much longer will this tech sell down continue, with investors continuing to back economic cyclicals instead? As for the major indices, the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq lost about 1.1% each. The Dow only lost 0.9%. On the commodity side of things, the oil price jogged ahead, climbing 10% last week to $41.11 US, and gold has gained $12 US on Friday, hitting $1,962 US an ounce. What to watch today? Well, the local futures are suggesting a pullback of 0.6% following Wall Street's decline. More broadly this week, the manufacturing numbers are in full focus this week in the US, UK, Europe and Australia as well, which will be keenly watched. Central banks will be meeting in China and in New Zealand, deciding on the future of interest rates, so plenty to watch. As for trading ideas that may be worth a look, Costa CGC, which is Australia's largest horticultural company growing berries, avocados, citrus, etc., was initiated as a bell potter buy with a $4.05 target. That implies 24% upside in a year from Friday's $3.7027 close. So Costa has just expanded its berry operations. Avocado orchards are producing stronger volumes, and these are at higher prices, and its outlook looks brighter given that it's been hit with drought, bushfire, fruit fly, hail and unfavourable pricing. So it looks like that could be behind it now, all of which is why CGC was called out as a bell potter buy. Citi and UBS also have the stock as a buy as well. And telco company called Uniti Group, UWL is their code, they were upgraded by bell potter with a 190 target, implying 29% upside in a year from Friday's $1.47 close. Now it's now closer to potentially taking over Opticom after the fibre optic internet provider recommended the takeover by UWL, and Uniti also bought 20% of the company. However, bell potter forecast profits to grow but dropped its earnings estimate given the higher takeover offer that's been put on the table. So that's UWL, a bell potter buy. And keep an eye on structural monitoring, SMN, and integrated research, IRI, as well as Tessero Resources, TSO, all three giving off strong bullish signals according to Trading Central's charting. I'm Jessica Amir with Bell Direct. Happy trading, stay safe.